Hey traders, welcome back. Today we're going to walk through the Bulenox payout process step by step. I'll show you exactly how it works, what rules you need to follow, and we'll go through a real payout request on a $50,000 account. So, let's jump straight in. Bulenox processes all payout requests on Wednesdays. To get included, you need to submit your request by the previous Friday. Now, people often ask, does Bulenox actually pay? From everything I've seen, and from my own experience, payouts have been consistent and reliable. As for payment methods, you can use ACH, wire transfer, PayPal, or Zelle. All right, let's talk about the $50,000 account I traded. To be eligible for payout, you need to trade at least 10 days and respect the 40% consistency rule. That means you can't make all your profit in one single day. It needs to be spread out. Also keep in mind, copy trading is only allowed between Bulenox accounts. You can't copy trade with other prop firms. Now let's cover the profit split. You keep 100% of profits up to $10,000. After that, it's a 90-10 split in your favor. On the $50,000 account, the minimum payout is $1,000 and the maximum per cycle is $1,500. So here's where I'm at. I've traded this account for 15 days, only had one red day, and built a nice buffer. The account is sitting at just over $3,600 right now. Instead of pushing it all the way to $1,500, I'm just going to request $1,000 payout this round. If I had more losses in between, I might have aimed for the $1,500. But since red days are always around the corner, I'd rather lock in the profit now. So let's go through the actual payout request. First, I confirm the account I'm requesting from. Then type in the amount. In this case, $1,000. When you request your first payout with Bulenox, they'll ask you to send in a withdrawal information form, a copy of your ID, and a tax form. They email those to you automatically when you ask for your first payout. But since this isn't my first payout with them, all I need to do is check the boxes, sign the document, and I'm done. After that, Bulenox sends you a confirmation email. That email will also include the documents you need to fill out: the withdrawal information form, your ID copy, and the tax form. In the same message, they also tell you the exact date when the payout will hit your account. For this request, the payment date was set to September 17th. And here's the proof: the confirmation email from Bulenox showing the payout landed exactly as promised. So, there you have it. The Bulenox payout process is straightforward, reliable, and in my experience, completely hassle-free. If this video helped you out, make sure to hit the thumbs up and subscribe for more prop firm payout breakdowns and futures trading content. See you in the next one.